We're here today at the Education People Show. It's the South East's biggest education show, full of amazing workshops, excellent exhibitors, and we couldn't be more excited to welcome you.
The TEP show, the Education People, is one of our businesses. This is a flagship event for us. We're absolutely delighted about it, and we look forward to it every year. Everything that you see here today is all about providing solutions for you. You need to be here. You need to see what we've got to offer and how we can help.
So we came just to stay abreast with current research, what's happening out there, and just to have a look at a bit of senior leadership networking time as well, away from the school. It's been a really good event today. We've seen some really good presentations, keynote speakers.
Loved Dr. Love, I think that's what his name is, very positive. Came out of that feeling quite happy and taking on board what he said. Did the STEM talk, which you can strip it back and you can put it into your practice. It's very organised, very lovely.
Everyone's friendly, everyone's helpful, everyone's supportive. Revolution events have been great, supportive and helpful, and it's just been a great event.
This one to me really felt like it was going to be full of people, the right people who are working in education, in schools, different providers, and I'm not disappointed. It's buzzing. In fact, there hasn't been a moment to stop. So far, it was the right decision.
We've come to the Education People Show primarily to find educators. Like so often at these shows, it kind of becomes an echo chamber of the education industry. It's just really buzzy, like it's had a really good feel about the whole thing. Yeah, it's hard to put a pin in it really, just the fact that there's a lot of energy.
We had 2 amazing awards to nominate today. The first one was for Stand at the Show, which went to Appetito for their amazing school dinners. And the second one was the Social Value Award, which went to Animal Aid for the wonderful work they do on animal welfare in Kent schools.
Met some really inspiring people today, got some nice leads to follow up with. I've met some of my own customers as well, so it's been fantastic.
It's been a really good show, we're really impressed with it, and we'll be coming again next year.
We've had a really successful day here today at the Education People Show. We've got a wide range of exhibitors here and some really interesting workshops going on as well. We look forward to welcoming you to our 2026 event, and that's on the 11th of November.